Hey folks, Jason Dick's Dirt Race Life. We are here at Crowley's Ridge Raceway. That's in Paragould, Arkansas. We're going to do a little factory stock racing tonight. Y'all stick around. Ready to go. Yeah, I know. You'll survive. A lot of cars. I'll get this thing fired up. I'm under geared for this track. I said I'm under geared for this track. I should be running more gear.
There was one. I go, don't mess up.
He was right there. Yeah. I seen him every once in a while.
The fence was full of, I couldn't stand it, and I didn't know if you'd see me or not to
No,
kind of tell you, you know. So
I pretty much had it figured out. Once I moved up to that top.
Once I went back to it now, he was there at the end. He must, when I went to caution.
Yeah.
And then come back. Well, then he wasn't as up on you as much, probably losing tires or something.
Yeah, I don't know.
Man, one boy on first race, he got in the mid and hit the tires for the front end and couldn't even turn it.
Really?
Yeah.
I hate that. No, I was a little tight, but the track's real tight, so I was tight too. But then once I just got out there on that lip, I put my head,
I was like, ooh, slow down, you're not.
Yeah, I turned
I was just loud, and I thought, oh, that'll get you.
No, I saw them, and I was like, unless this guy's in my door, I'm gonna back off right here.
Yeah.
But yeah, once I got up on that top lip, I was good. I was good. Car turned fine. I don't know though. It was 3 different heats. It may be some really fast cars in them other 2 heats. Because I pulled through there, and you know this is a little motor, so. But it was enough for that race. And that, my friend, was the heat race win. But in the feature, they draw for the feature, so we got to start all over again from the back again. Y'all ain't nobody. All these guys we're racing against, they all want to win. Everybody wants to win. You gotta earn it, you gotta work for it, y'all. Swap tires, work on tires, change setup, whatever you gotta do. Everybody's wanting to win. You gotta earn it. So we just wrapped up here, got the car loaded up. Did really great in the heat race, straight to the front. Started, let's see, in the heat there, we started 3rd row inside, so we started in 5th place and had no problem at all, just driving straight through traffic and straight to the front, won that heat. In the feature, I started 13th. The way they do it is they make you draw for the heat and then draw for the feature, so they really just run it like 2 completely separate races. Started next to dead last, one up from dead last, and I really couldn't do a lot. I sat back there in traffic, and at some point in this race, I was checking my camera and I had a big clod of dirt. I don't know how much of the vision that obscured. Not sure how much I had to clip that out, so I apologize if I had to clip the race short. They had a big wad up. I knew it was coming. I was laying in the back, and I was wanting to pick my way through and move forward, and about the time that I was going to go for a hole, they all wadded up. I got caught up in that, little bit of nose damage. They pulled it back out. Didn't cut my tire down, so I was okay, but overall, I missed it on the car. They went back. I expected the track to really slick off and go dry. And so I switched out my back tires and everything. I took about a 1/2 inch of stagger out of the car, maybe 3/4 of an inch of stagger out of the car. I expected the track to really go dry slick. And then we were the first race out for the features, and they put water on the track right before they went out and rolled the track back down. Of course, it's too late. I set up and done, and realized they had done it. It was just too late for me. But what it did, it was slick at the top and it was slick at the bottom, and I seemed like I had the same speed either top or bottom. And in the middle, it had brown and it was good, but I was too tight through the middle, so I couldn't run it. And so I could run at the bottom or run at the top. I passed a few guys, you know, where they'd be on the top and I was on the top. I'd run right up to them and then I'd cut to the bottom and be able to like cut them off and move up a spot. But overall, I was just really struggling to gain ground in that race. And then after they had that big wad up, they just ran green the whole way through for the rest of it. I ended up finishing 8th place. Of course, taking the car home in one piece, and you know, I'm not dissatisfied with that. It's fine. Like I said, moved up several places. Overall, this is my first race this year over here at Crowley's Ridge. I try to make a couple of them a year. I like this little track. They have a lot of cars. They had 107 cars here in the different classes. Tons of fans that really get into it, racing and everything. So I really enjoy when I'm able to come over this track. It's over here in Paragould, Arkansas, and it's about 9 miles out of town. You definitely have to have maps or something on your phone to find it. It is out in the sticks. Great experience. I hope that race footage was interesting for you and you got something out of it. Appreciate it, y'all. See you later.